guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 laptop stuck on restarting. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you have problems with your Acer Nitro 5 laptop, well, in this case, there is something that you can do here to probably solve the issue. So the first thing that you can do here is you need to do a hard reset. So in this case, this is not erasing any data. It's just basically hard resetting or hard restarting your laptop precisely. So what you need to do when your laptop is in a boot loop here and it's going to be stuck on restarting, what you could do is you want to look for the power button. So usually it's going to be at the top right here. And from then on, what we need to do is we just need to make sure that you press and hold it for around like 5 to 10 seconds until the actual laptop actually turned off. So in this case, make sure to do this when your laptop is being turned on, it's restarting. Press and hold the power button here 5 to 10 seconds, and that should do a hard restart. Now, in this case, once you've done that, you can go ahead and wait for a few seconds and turn it on and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, well, in this case, you might be having problems with your actual OS. Now, sometimes doing a reset, so basically deleting all the data on your laptop, can actually help you. How do you exactly do that? So this user is also experiencing the same issue here on their Acer Nitro 5 here. And one of the users actually recommended the following steps. So what you do is you want to press the power key for about 5 seconds to power off your Acer computer completely, like what we did before. Then restart the computer and press Alt F10 when its logo actually show up. Now you can go ahead and select the troubleshoot option and select reset your PC. Now you can go and click on next, then you could go ahead and select just remove your files, or in this case you could go ahead and keep your files. So this will remove all of the applications, but you could go and keep your files. Then you could go ahead and click on reset to begin the recovery. Now in this case you would lose all data including apps here, so you could go ahead and choose either keep your files or not. But yeah, so those are the things that you do here to probably solve this issue, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.